Hello, and welcome to the Earrings by Angela channel, where we learn, live, and create. Thank you for joining us for our affirmation series. I will be repeating the same affirmation over and over, which is known as a looped style, so that repetition makes us believe what we are saying, right? And it goes into our subconscious mind. So as I repeat the affirmation, I invite you to repeat it along with me, and let's do this work together. Let us begin. My life is just beginning. 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 Okay, I thank you. Our short affirmation session is over, but I do want to leave you with this. Your life is just beginning. Maybe yesterday you received a notice that you're no longer needed at your job. Or maybe you got your heart broken yesterday. Or someone told you you're not good enough. You can't do this. Or it could be something else. But guess what? It's not the end. It's not, you're not over. That chapter of your life is over. That moment, that small moment that seems so big, that moment in your life is over. But your new life, your new journey, your next stepping stone to get you where you need to be is just beginning. So today I celebrate you for starting a new journey in whatever area it is of your life. You are beginning a new season, and I am here for it. I am so happy that I am one of the first, if not the first, to cheer you on. Whatever you desire in this life, it is yours. You just have to ask. So continue saying that your life is just beginning and focus on that and watch and see how the world opens up. Things that you were told that you couldn't do, you're doing it. When someone told you you were not good enough for this or that, you're better than, because you're in a new season on a new journey. And you guys, you're going to rock it out. Thank you for joining me today for our affirmation session. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and join us every Monday, guaranteed, for our affirmation session. I enjoy doing this with you, and I would love for you to like and comment on this video. Tell us how it is helping, or an affirmation that you would just like to share. Okay? Or you can just say hello so I can say good morning. With that, you guys, I will leave you with an awesome day. And again, congrats on your